Yo, what's up, fam? Back again with another episode of Jason Cooking, but this time it's Airbnb Hawaii edition. I'm gonna fix a little something up right quick for Jenny, because you know she's a pescatarian. So what we got here today is some sliced sashimi and some ahi wasabi poke. So I'm gonna make a little wrap for her. Okay, what we're gonna do first is put down some flavored seaweed. That'll give a little extra, not really texture, because when you put everything else on, it's gonna moisten it and just kind of get it soft, but we'll do it for the extra flavor. It has some salt as well as some sesame flavor on it, so that'll give it some extra umami as well. And then go ahead and bring the lettuce on over. And you could just add lettuce to taste. We just have some spring mix. Yeah, hold up. Do a nice little bed. 오늘 no cooking show. No, that's fine. I'm good. Mom's trying to hijack my vlog again. Oh, Dad's giving me some more tortillas. Okay, so we got our nice bed of lettuce. We're gonna lay down some sashimi. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting hungry AF. I'm gonna put down some. I don't really like the dice or the slice. This is more of a julienne daikon. It should really be shredded. We'll put that on for some extra texture and flavor, and then we'll top it off with some of this ahi wasabi poke. Let me just give it a little taste. Looks really good. Very mild flavor. Some sesame. Definitely taste the sesame. There's some chili flakes in there. A little onion. Very, very mild flavor. It's good. We'll toss some of this in here for her. Okay. And all we gotta do is just wrap this up. Do a nice little wrap.
Chopstick?
There's more chopsticks. There's more chopsticks over there. Mom's hijacking my. I got a little greedy here, so she's gonna have to pinch it on her own. But that right there, my friends, is gourmet AF. Hope you enjoy it, Jenny.
Thank you.
Off. Till the next episode. Till the next episode, we out.